Hello and welcome to the IM channel. In today's session, I'm just going to take you through one or two ways that can help your KDP business. And what I'm going to talk about is the major part of the KDP low content publishing or no content publishing, which is the interiors. So today I'm going to take you through how you can get free interiors and how you can also make your own interiors. So welcome, and if you are new to this channel, please just subscribe to this channel or like the video, send me a comment to show appreciation. If I'm doing something that is good, you show appreciation. So I'll be happy to read your comments and also to see your subscription. Help my channel grow. Please help my channel grow. Help my channel grow. Thank you for that. Now let's go to the empowerment section. And so the first place to get free KDP templates. Free, that's where I started from until I was able to start creating my own templates or interiors. The first place you go, if you are new to KDP, you just want templates that will fit your designs and fit like the print size of your paper or interiors. The first place you go to, if you are at home, just type in BOOK on Google. Just type it on the Google platform. Sorry, let me type it here. BOOK book bolt. So just type in book bolt. Don't add anything. The book is just a normal book and the bolt is BOLT. So just type it on the Google platform. So if you are fortunate, you see an interface like this, which shows you the main website to book book login, interior wizard, pricing, interior generator, creating KDP covers, KDP category finder. If you can subscribe, you go to the book login to subscribe and to get their offers. But today we are talking about how to get free interior designs. So what do you do next? You just go to the interior generator. Interior generator, not the interior wizard. If you go to the interior wizard, it will give you an option to go to the interior generator. We just want to go straight to the interior generator where we can create or generate our own interiors. So you click on that. You see that there's a beautiful panel like this, and these are all the interiors that you need for free. You can get them for free. Some of them you need to log in or you need to subscribe, be a member, a premium member before you can get some of them, but majority of them are free. You can get nice interiors like fishing log, fitness calendar, comic title, graph papers, different graph paper sizes, guitar tab, habit trackers, mileage log, house sitting guide. You can get almost all of this for free. And you can see handwriting paper, storyboard, sketchbook. All these things are free for you. Food journal, notes, blush notes, blood pressure log, monthly planner, you can fitness sheet, workout logbook. These are all free. You can see a lot of them, over 50 KDP interiors for free, utilities tracker. And these are all the things that you need to succeed in your KDP business. Tax checklist, donation tracker. So if you see an interior that you like and you want to just download it straight into your KDP for it to generate maybe a like PDF of like 100 pages or 200 pages, you just need to know the size you want and you need to know whether you need bleed or not. One day I'll do a video about bleed and no bleed. But here I just want a simple, let me see what I'll be publishing now. I just need a simple receipt journal or receipt journal. Let's go for receipt journal and mostly, or let's say prayer list. I need a simple prayer list for my kids journal to do a KDP prayer list for children or for adults, whatever it is. So I'll go to see the name is there, prayer list. Then I want it 6 by 9 inches. You scroll down to the inches you want, you click on the 6 by 9. Page count. How many pages do you want? Normally, I publish my 6 by 9 inch like interiors 100. I do 110 or 108 just because I don't want to pay more for printing cost, and also it makes the book portable. So choose 110. As simple as it is, you download. So once you download it, will give you a page for you to see what you are downloading, the interior you are downloading. See this beautiful interior. So it's just ready for KDP upload. It's just ready for KDP upload. Prayer list. And that is simple. It's just ready for me to download it, to get it. And so if I need this, I'll just go here and click on the download button. Once I click on the download button, it gives me the option to save it to wherever I want to save it to. Then I'll click on I want it on my desktop, and you save it. So you can see it has been downloaded. This is royalty free. You can publish it, you can do whatever with it. It's good. You can get different KDP interiors. If I want receipt journal, I can get it here for free. If I want school timetable, if I want shopping list, simple way tracker, all these things I can get them for free. Here, lesson planner for teachers or for whoever it is, you can get them for free. So basically, there's a free option that you can use. If you're a beginner, please start with free. If you before when you start making money, you start investing in like Creative Fabrica or different places to buy interiors. But for now, you can do free and you can keep on make more, because all these things, expenses journal, notebooks, interior, receipt journal, to-do list, these are all hot niches that you can use. Workout logbook, which is one of the health books I talked about in my health journals. And it's okay for you to be able to do more and to use that to create opportunity. If I want also, let's do final app download. Maybe I want to publish, I've seen a recipe book, or I've mentioned recipe book. I don't want to mention that again. I want to do a normal books that we do, which is the college rule journal, line journal. So I just go to the line journal, college rule. Then I do what I want, 8 by 8.5 by 11 interior size. Then I'll do this normal. I just leave it 110 straight. Then I'll download it. It will give you the list for free. You're just getting this for free. Then 110, you can see the pages and ready. If I download, go here and I click on the download ready. I'm going to just start uploading it, and it's going to fit the size of KDP. You don't need to design. You don't need any design skills. You can what start publishing now. Just all you just need now is to go and create your cover pages. If you want me to do cover pages, free cover pages too, I can show you how to do them. So all you just need to do is to get your cover page, get your the title or the 7 keywords that you need to fill, and you start making more money with KDP. So as simple as that, you can get free KDP interiors on BookBolt. So the name is BookBolt. Just go to Google and type in BookBolt, and you can get the generator, like the interior generator, to help you. Then the second one where you can get us is actually my site, which is also it's on Gumroad. We have like music sheet, day planner. We also have like they're not expensive here. We have $1, shopping list. We have 6 by 9. This one is $4.99. This one KDP composition notebook is like zero. Is You can get it for free. Sudoku puzzle books. You can get this Sudoku puzzle books for 4.99. Prayer journal 4.99. Period tracker, medium Sudoku, and all those things. You can get all these things for your KDP business for 4.99, and you can get some for free to be able to upload. You have free versions that you can upload. So that's the second way you can get your free KDP this thing. So I'll leave the link to this below so that you can get into this if you want to buy interiors from this, or get free some of the free interiors here. And I also have lists, niches, like I have niches that you can be able to get free niches here. So I have a list of niches that you can get for free, basically for free. Be able to, so these are the niches, 100 plus KDP niches for Q4 is free here. You can see it has $22, 22 ratings, 5-star, 22 5-star ratings. And we have 100 plus KDP health niches, which is also free. So you can get it here. So I'm going to leave the link below here for you to download and to get. As simple as that, you can get your KDP interiors for free, literally for free from these two sites. And the important thing as also I want to mention is the third place you can get interiors. You can go to Canva.com. So Canva is a graphic design site where you can create your own interiors. You can see I'm not a graphic designer, but I create all these things, all these designs. I'm making them just for my KDP business. The reality is that you need to start somewhere before you can make an impact. If you need to start doing something small before you can start publishing or investing money into whatever you do. So I do my own interiors here. I do my own designs here. Whatever I want to design, I design it here. You can see I do a lot of designs here, and I do a lot of design for my mentoring and coaching sessions. I do all the certificates. You can do them here. You can do your design your interiors on Canva. So the first one is that you can get your interiors on Bookbot. Second, you can get them on IM store here, and third, you can do them your own. Please create your own interiors. You can go to Canva and create them, learn to create them. You can also use PowerPoint or Word document, get the sizes right, and we are ready to go. Don't wait, and there's no time to wait. So if you don't have money, know where to start from. If you have money, know where to start from too. Then thank you for your time. I believe that this has been helpful. And I just want to help the KDP industry. And I always keep saying that I want to thank people who are also look up to in the business. Mr. Rosa, that young guy, he's doing great things. I can see Mr. Paul Mice. I monitor him a lot, and also Stack in Profits, all doing great, and they're also all sharing content and all those stuff. So if you like what I'm sharing, please hit the subscribe button to help me and do more. That's the only way you can help me for now. Hit the subscribe button so that when I also get the 1,000 subscribers, I'll give you a big giveaway. I'm going to do a big giveaway because when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm also going to start monetizing this YouTube channel, and that will help me do more researches and give you more videos, because it's not easy to do videos. It's not easy to do videos, but I leave the publishing and I do videos just because I want to help you. So hit the subscribe button and let's keep moving. You can also ask me some questions, reach out to me if you have any concern, and let's take it from there. Thank you for your time. I believe in you. I believe in the power of your dreams. May God help you win in your KDP business. Go out and win. Go out and make the world proud. You are a champion. You are a champion.